this video, I'm just mad that a friend of mine unsubscribed from my channel. I know it doesn't sound like a big deal, but it is a big deal. I had 11 subscribers. Now I have 10, and this video is just me saying that I do not appreciate it. Ryan Gaming 101 unsubscribing from my channel. Okay, do not unsubscribe from my channel. Okay, here is just a small little video, just so you get the message. And yeah, I am gonna talk about this. You have 12 subscribers. Why would you unsubscribe from me? If you have 12 subscribers, I had 11. You still had more than me, and you unsubscribed from my channel. Not cool, bro. Really?